Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am going to talk about the national bird. The national bird is the peacock. Peacock is found everywhere in India. Everyone knows peacock. It is beautiful and it is connected to our culture. For Christians, it is sign of resurrection. For Hindus, it is God's vehicle. For Muslims, it is sign on their buildings. Peacock is blue in color and fan shape of crest of colorful feathers. Peacock is happy when it rains and dances with joy. Sadly, peacocks are killed for their beautiful feathers. Let's join the hands and say no. It is protected by law. Jai Hind. Thank you.